Ultraviolet radiation. We will discuss in this tutorial the ultraviolet light, UV light. As you can figure out that UV lies between the visible light and X-rays. From its name, ultraviolet, it is the light that is above the violet visible light. Its typical frequency is greater than that of visible light, and it's between 10 to the power 15 and 10 to the power 16 Hertz, and its typical wavelength is less than that of visible light, and it's between 10 to the power minus 7 and 10 to the power minus 8 meters. The main source of UV radiation is the sun, as it emits large amounts of it, while the ozone layer filters out most of the ultraviolet radiation, but some still gets through the ozone layer to the earth, and too much exposure to it gives us sunburn. Moreover, UV can change our DNA, and exposure also increases the risk of skin cancer and premature skin aging. Some chemicals emit light as a result of absorbing ultraviolet waves, and ultraviolet is also created inside fluorescent lights. Therefore, in addition to the sun, specially designed lights are sources of UV light. Therefore, photographic films and diodes are some detectors of UV light. Also, some animals detect it while humans can't. Now, there are many advantages for sure behind UV light. It helps in producing vitamin D in the skin, but for a recommended time in order not to get sunburns or even blindness, as ultraviolet waves are harmful to human eyes. Moreover, UV lights are used in testing for forged documents and banknotes as shown in the picture, and in fluorescent lights as we already said. And that's it for ultraviolet waves.